Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by collecting fast, focused inputs so you can act immediately. First, list 5 audience pain points. This gives you raw angles to test. Then scan 3 competitor posts to spot one clear gap you can own. Finally, pull 3-5 top keywords for search intent. Once done, prioritize ideas by ease and potential reach. This prevents analysis paralysis. Make sure to timestamp each note so you can track what resonates later when you iterate. Now transform those inputs into concrete concepts you can produce. Use 3 ideation moves: remix existing angles, expand a tiny insight, or reverse assumptions to surprise your audience. Draft 6 headlines, 2 optimized for clicks, 2 purely helpful, and 2 experimental to test tone. Next, map each idea to a format: short video, long article, or visual asset. Once you have this map, assign 1-2 rapid experiments per week. Measuring early tells you which concepts to scale and which to drop. Finish by validating, producing, and adjusting so your work converts. First, run 1-week micro-tests with clear KPIs like CTR, watch time, or signups. Collect results. Then produce the chosen asset and repurpose the top 2 winners across 3 channels to amplify reach. Finally, iterate. If performance lags, tweak the angle, call to action, or format. One key troubleshooting tip: if ideas consistently fail, revisit your audience assumptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.